Okay, I'll not talk. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇವಾಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೆಳ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ. ಅವಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಾಗಲಿ ಆಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಅವಳು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವಳಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸೋ ಐಡಿಯಾನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಅವಳು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಳು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವಳ ಲೈಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ನ ಅವಳೇ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ಗೈ. ಲೆಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ
that member of our family who's achieved a lot of things and who's done a lot of things, and now that she's getting married, it's a different feeling. I can say it's a mixed emotions.
She supports me every time. Like when I was small also, I never knew that. She used to think in a positive way, and she used to support me every time.
Rarely people get true love and all that, and it feels really good, and I really feel proud of her that she's done it till here and she's taking it for future, you know. We are really close, and I'm not sad she's getting married. Like there's a new person, like a more cool person coming into our family, so that's really nice. And then she's been like a guiding star to me, and she always knew what I'm gonna face next in life, and she always warned me, this is gonna happen, you gotta do this or do that, and something like that. So yeah, our summer holidays were the craziest. We've done the craziest, which we can tell people and which we cannot tell people. Yeah.
Okay.
Action.
Action.
He's always helping me out with everything, always making me feel happy all the time. Like he gives me anything I want, anything. Like if I feel like I want to buy something, like within 4 or 5 days, he'll make sure I'll get that thing. I mean, he's the perfect brother anyone can have, and I'm getting a new sister and new brother. I mean, a new brother in the sense like he is not going to be the same way to me. Maybe, I don't know. He'll be occupied with different things. But I'm really excited to get a new sister too. And I mean, I can't imagine my brother getting married. Like I've seen him all my life with me, and now he's going to be with someone else too. So excited, just excited.
You know, just like, yay, I'm his younger sister, so that's why he does it for me. So, and he always has is that, you know, every time something happens, he'll be like, no, it's my younger sister, Suchitra. So whatever she says is right, you know. So that kind of elder brother feeling makes you always feel so good. And I love that about him. And first time he told me about Shweta Mani, and he said, you know what, Suchi, you will love her. And he was absolutely right. And we all met up once, and me and Shweta just clicked. It was almost like, you know, I knew her because Vigneshana talks a lot about her. And we were just sitting, and then he was right, you know, you could just find that old friend kind of person who was sitting next. And I'm just so excited that she's coming to our home, and, you know, it's a merger of two families, and I'm absolutely excited for her and for my brother. Really, a lot. You know, you can't put it into words, you know, feeling till now. But I'm sorry, I'm very emotional, but yes, it's very, very, very exciting.
नट्ठे दी चादर उत्थे सलेटी रंग माहिया आवो सामने कोलो दे रुस के नालंग माहिया.
I am really happy for her. Like, she's gonna have a wonderful life, I know that. But still, you know, we're gonna miss her around the house, and, you know, our fights or our silly fights or something like that. The most of the time, my childhood I've spent with my sister itself. So, like, she has been like a godmother to me, and now, like, she's gonna leave. So, yeah. It's kind of horrible, but yeah.
मधानिया ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। मधानिया
In my life, she was a small kid when my mother left her, so I used to take care of her. So she was a small kid. She was of 11 days baby. From that time I was with her. ಅವಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಲು. ಮತ್ತು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವಳು ಒಂಚೂರು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಅವಳು ಹಾಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಸೇಮ್. ಶಿ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಎನಿವನ್.
Shweta, when entered in our life, she was just 3-4 months baby.
Yeah.
From that day, she is the cutest girl in our family. Then he used to have a lot of fun with her. Once she ate 12 bananas at a time. I used to rag her every time. Then once after my marriage, after getting first night, everything over, she proposed me. Mama, I missed you. That was a great time. And she makes lots of time to cry me.
ನಾನು ಮದುವೆ ಆದಾಗಿಂದ ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಲು. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಥರನೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಾಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಅತ್ತೆ ಥರ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನೂ ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
हाईवे मेरे डांडिया रंबा किना जमिया किनाने ले जानिया है। हाईवे मेरे डांडिया रंबा किना जमिया किनाने ले जानिया है। मधानिया दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजया। मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलण बधाइया नी साजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजना।
We know that from child she's like ambitious, at the same time very grounded. Little bit of angry on the nose, but yeah, she's sweet kid of entire family. And she's in fact, she helped us to get married.
हमारी शादी उसी ने कराई, उसने मेरे देवर ने सभी को मिल के कराया। बड़े लोगों को किसी को भी नहीं पता था, इस फैमिली में जितने भी बच्चे हैं उन्हीं लोगों ने हमारा शादी करवाया। उसमें श्वेता का ही बड़ा हाथ था।
I think for me and my brother, Shweta is one of the person who kind of introduced us to the modern world or shopping world in Bangalore. I think it's part of life, but at the same time, obviously everyone will feel bad that she's be away from us. At the same time, we are proud that she made a right choice and found a perfect love for her, perfect match for her.
ನನಗೆ ಅವಳು ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ದೊಡ್ಡವಳಾದ್ರು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಕಿತ್ತಾಡೋದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡೋದು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತುವರೆಗೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತೋದು, ಸೈಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊರಿ.
అందరితో బాగా మాట్లాడతాయి. దాని వరకు దాని లైఫ్ బాగుండాల.
उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो दिलबरो दिलबरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो.
Whenever we away, every year we'll meet with this. That time Vignesh is so much of caring, and so though he won't come and do that, but he will see that and see that feeling, and he'll be very excited because in our family, so he's the one first getting married, and our daughter is going to come. So it's so nice to. So the feeling of coming, that is the with our family.
ಶ್ವೇತಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಯೋದು ಕಣ್ಣ, ಡುಮ್ಮಿ, ಡೂಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕರೆಯೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಡೂಮ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 97ಇಂದ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಅವಳು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಳು. ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳಾದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಇದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅವಳು ರಮ್ಯ ವಾಣಿ ಸುತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಫಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಲಿಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಖತ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಂಡನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ ಹೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಾತಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫು. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಭಯ ಬಿಡಬೇಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ 3 ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಬೇಡ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
One thing I constantly got to know was a lot of people were jealous of our friendship. I think they were jealous that these two guys are so good at understanding each other. Like they used to make fun of us basically. But then we used to take it very normal. We used to still always take it very normal, and we both understood each other quite well. And I did multiple times ask her though. But then eventually she accepted.
When he says a proposal, it's more like, he's like, I really like you. I think I wish you could be my girlfriend or something like that. Very cute.
My love for her is more for who she is than what I want her to be. So that is how I think about her.
I know this might be cliche, but I feel love is more friendship. So if you are really good friends with that person and that person can really connect to you mentally, and I think that's one thing with me and Vignesh, intellectually or in our thoughts, in our likings, we connect a lot. And that kind of, it's just like every other relationship, we have our ups and downs. And I think that's that strong content that gets back us together, because we both have that same things that we like and same things we think about.
we are going to get a beautiful girl, sweet girl.
It's a very exciting feeling. It's also a very strange feeling that this wedding, where it should have taken place with a lot of people in attendance, the fact that it is taking place today is a very big thing. And I think it's really God's blessings that we are able to get through with the wedding. It's a big thing. So we are extremely happy. He's always been a very quiet kid, in the sense that he's not somebody who will immediately get attracted to people, move with them. Since he was small, I'm saying. Another thing is, there is 8-year difference between Vignesh and his younger brother. So he was a big help to us. Because he'll always take care of his younger brother in a very, very...
Always possessive and also...
Always possessive.
And he
Many
always
of
takes
photos you should see, with him
He's
working
always
on the
behind
computer. And him hanging onto his back and then, watching what he's doing as a kid and all that. So we had a lot of burden was off our shoulders, because he used to take care of his brother like anything. So to us, that's a big memory. He is very passionate about what he does, and if he doesn't believe in something, you put him upside down, he will not do it. It's like that. Whether it relates to studies, whether it relates to his any particular liking, dislike, anything. So it's like he's very passionate about it, and he is also very, very particular. In today's world, he's a rarity. Maybe
he does what it is right, what he feels it is right.
But that's his way, and that's why I was always worried. He should get the right girl.
Yes.
And I think Sweta matches him perfectly. She understands him perfectly, hopefully. So that's a good thing.
Take me there and all this journey end. Wake me up. I need to breathe again. I need a
One thing about Vignesh is he has a lot of patience. Trust me, I'm not easy to handle. So yeah, and he is very nice to me, and he's very, very caring, very patient with me. Because that friendship has been there for a very long time now, almost 4.5 years. It's like, it's more of friendship, and I always feel like I'm marrying my best friend. And I'm really excited about that part more than, anything else.
When you be with her, you will know that she genuinely starts becoming close to everyone, and she starts helping others, she starts being with everyone, and everyone starts loving her. So that is her plus point. I like people who are very ambitious, and she's extremely ambitious person, and that makes me love her more. Like day and day, I would easily say that I love her more about that.
To be honest, I'm very happy it's with Vignesh, because I know how my future is with him. But at the same time, my parents, so my mother passed away in a very young age, and my dad brought me up completely, and I have that emotional connect with him, and I'm very nervous as to how he's going to handle it and how he'll be able to take it. And at the same time, with my mom coming into our life, it's been a different ride for all of us, including my dad. She's brought that fun element into our lives, I would say. I mean, I don't know how it was before, but I think she's the one holding it all together right now. And I'll definitely miss her more than anything, because whatever I am today, it's definitely because of her. And there is a lot of things that I've learned from her, and grown seeing her and my dad. And one thing that I miss the most is, even today, like, I can't choose my clothes, I can't do anything. Even if I'm going to a party, I just have to run and ask her what should I wear. So that's how I've been. And my family, my younger sister, my elder sister, like, I know, like, everybody's been convincing me that it's going to be the same, nothing's going to change and all. But it scares me somewhere. I mean, I don't want this situation or this thing to change. I want people to be the same, but I know we've grown up and things has to change and all that. But yeah, I miss them a lot, and I don't know. I just don't want anything to change. I want it to be there forever. Even though Vignesh is coming into my life, I still want it to be the same. But again, my family, my future family, I've been blessed in that case also. Thanks to Vignesh on that. They're really loving and they're really caring. So
Because they saw the way you got emotional and with your family.
yeah, so in fact he told me the minute he saw me, I mean it's been 29 years since my mother passed away now, and the minute he saw me, he thought of her. Everybody says that I resemble her a lot, quite a lot. So he couldn't hold it. He's like, it's like seeing her back again. So
राधा रगसिया मधुरै मडिनिल राधा रगसिया मधुरै मडिनिल राधा रगसिया कादल कण्णनिल राधा रगसिया राधा रगसिया मधुरै मडिनिल राधा रगसिया मधुरै मडिनिल राधा रगसिया कादल कण्णनिल राधा रगसिया இதும் கடந்து வாழ வேண்டும் என்னில உடல் உயிர் உன் மனம் அரசிய மனம் அடைந்து வாழ வேண்டும் நான் என்றும் நல்வாழ்வு நினைக்கும் என் மனம் மறையாதே என் கனவே காற்றாக நீ இருப்பாய் நீ எந்த அருகினில் வா.
ಸೊ ಅವಳ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ನ ಅವಳೇ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ನಾನು ಹೊಡಿತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಳು ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಳ ಕೆರಿಯರನ್ನು ಅವಳು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಲಿ ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಹುಡುಗನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಅದೇ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರ ಆಸೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್. ನಾನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು 11 ದಿನದ ಮಗುವಿಂದ ಸಾಕಿದವನು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್. ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
மறையாதே என் கனவே காற்றாக நீ இருப்பாய் நீ எந்த அருகினில் வா. ಭಕ್ತಜನ ಪರಿಪಾಲ ಬರಿದ ಶರಜಾಲ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ದಲೀಲ ಭೂದೇವ ಪಾಲ ಸೀತಾ
Shweta, I love you so much. Hopefully you enjoy your wedding and hopefully you have a wonderful year ahead. But please don't forget me.
Hi Shweta, stay blessed always. Take care. Be very good for everyone. That's all.
Nothing's gonna change. I don't feel anything's gonna change. Even when you were in USA or even when you're here, everything remained the same. So I don't think your marriage would change anything between us. I love you a lot.
Really excited to see how the rest of my life goes with you both. I'm waiting to see after marriage how my life is going to be with you both. Thank you.
Let's gel a little more and be together. I hope we still remain the same, and yeah, don't forget me, and yes, I love you.
Nothing's going to change, as that's obvious. And more hangouts and yeah, more hangouts with more chill parties at your place. Waiting for all of that. All the best. I love you so much. Keep inspiring me.
Happy married life, nothing. You enjoy your life till you are dead. That's what.
Happy married life, Shweta, Vignesh. So Anna, yay, you're getting hitched. Your bachelor days are done, and I know you'll be having a lot of fun. It's a new phase of life. I wish you all the very best, and anytime, anything you need, you know we are always here for you. Money, yay! I'm so excited to get to know more about you. You know, when we all sit as a family, when we have get-togethers, we always think, oh, you know what? Money is going to be with us next time onwards. You know what? Money is going to be here next time onwards, and that's so exciting. And I just can't wait for you to be a part of our family.
Happy married life, Shweta. #Swiggy.
I really love you and keep guiding me like this forever. And happy married life.
Vignesh and Shweta is so happy. Please welcome to our family. So nice, be our family. Okay, we all there one, so we all will take care of you. You also should take care of us.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि दोनों का शादी हो रहा है, दोनों आपस में खुश रहो और एक अच्छे भविष्य की कामना करती हूँ. शुभकामनाएं.
Shweta and Vignesh, happy married life. I know that both of you guys are matured enough to handle the situation because you both gonna be spending a lot of time alone because of your work nature. But I'm sure you will find the right balance and be happy in your life.
Happy married life. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಹೊಸ ಲೈಫ್.
Shweta, happy married life.
Hey Dums, happy married life. Enjoy your life. ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Bye.
I will wish them both the very best. Marriage is not just about liking each other, getting married, but it's about staying together forever. I mean, to me, there are many people who get married and perhaps at least they've both been in the US. The culture in US is not something that encourages marriage in the long term. You like people, you get married. But for Vignesh, my message is, and for Shweta, that you both got married, love you very much, love you a lot, but you should stay together forever. When you compromise in life, whether you compromise in life with other things or not, with each other, learn to compromise. Always, the give and take has to be there. You have to give and take, you have to learn to compromise. Only then can we live together forever. Our best wishes to both of you. May God bless you. Always loads and loads of happiness.
I am also wishing them a very happy married life. Always be together and always support each other. That's all.
Wish you a happy married life.
Hey Shweta, just one message to you. Don't be scared about this new family thing, and I mean, you are just coming from the only thing that you're going to see after we marry is that there are going to be some new procedures. That's all. Apart from that, I think you've got a very loving mom and a very loving dad, and you know my brother. So I just want you to be as happy as possible, and my mom is going to take care of you. She always wanted a girl child actually, and my brother has tried to do his best in satisfying her, in terms of helping her and in terms of being there as a person, because I have always focused on myself, but yeah, there have been times when I've taken care of my brother and others, but I think you coming as a girl to our family, she is going to love it, and she's already loving it every second. So this is just a message to you. Be happy, and I think also the most important thing that we have to remember is from both sides we have our extended families, and they are always there to support us from your side and my side, and we need to always we need to always be there for each. I'm going to be there for you, and you're very assured of that. I'm always going to be there for you.
So Vignesh, I am very excited to start my life with you, and I know it's going to be an adventurous ride together. We've had a list of things that we planned, and everything has to go according to our plan. And I mean, even if it doesn't, I know that you're there for me, and that's more than anything I ever wanted. Thanks for walking into my life and giving me such a wonderful family also. Thanks for everything.